Regardless of the woodworking project you're tackling, you're going to want your workpieces to be as flat and smooth as possible. Wood planers help to achieve just that, using extremely sharp blades to eliminate rough spots, inconsistencies, and uneven surfaces. Planers are a valuable tool in preparing wood in optimum condition. There are many products available to choose the best wood planers for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best wood planers for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. dewalt DW735X 2-speed thickness planer. This dewalt planer is a powerful, solid workhorse that boasts 10,000 RPM speeds to power cuts up to 1d 8-inch in depth. The 3-knife cutter head design means your blades will last longer and replacing them will be an easier process. Choose the speed that will work best for your purposes. 96 cuts per inch would be a good choice for dimensioning and 179 cuts per inch for finishing. It boasts a sturdy 19 3/4-inch cast aluminum base that provides a solid, rigid foundation. The automatic carriage lock is a big help in snipe reduction. The fan-assisted chip ejection keeps chips out of the way and away from the cutter head. This 735X model is identical to the 735 but includes feed tables and extra blades. Number 2. Craftsman CMEW320 Wood Planer. This Craftsman wood planer is a reliable yet surprisingly budget-friendly choice in the benchtop category. The 15-amp motor can power the double-edged reversible blades at speeds of 8,000 RPM. The Poly V cutter head drive and double-edged high-carbon steel knives enable a high degree of versatility, meaning it will easily handle any type of wood and has no trouble with glued materials. It can accommodate board widths of 12 1/2 inches and allows cuts of up to inch deep. Users rave about its smooth operation and easy setup. Add a dust collection system to the built-in dust chute to minimize mess. Number 3. Wen PL1326 Benchtop Planer. This Wen planer offers wide-ranging versatility by accommodating boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick. With 26 staggered HSS blades, this planer can easily create a smooth finish on any type of wood. As is typical with helical models, this type of cutter head commands a higher price. This model has a price tag roughly $140 higher than the comparable Wen model with a straight blade cutter head. Many users seem to feel it is worth the investment, though, with online reviewers raving about its accuracy and easy operation. The solid cast iron base ensures optimal stability. Number 4. Jet JWP13BT Planer. With 26 two-edged blades, this jet wood planer consistently delivers accurate, smooth cuts of up to inch deep. Blade inserts can be replaced quickly and easily, which helps minimize downtime and keep your projects running on time. Thanks to the powerful 2-horsepower motor, the blades can spin at speeds of 10,000 RPM. The cast iron bed and stability-enhancing design keeps operation secure and wobble-free to reduce snipe. It also has a 4-inch dust collection port. Amazon reviewers cite its space-saving footprint and relatively low noise level as favorite features. Number 5. Grizzly Industrial G1033Z 25 HP Planer. The Grizzly Industrial 25 HP planer is both powerful and high quality. 4 high-speed steel knives from the 31D4 cutter head and power is transferred from the 5 HP motor to the cutter head by a triple V belt system. This ensures maximum power transfer. You've really got one of the most powerful and robust planers on the market here, with many versatile features included for all sorts of different jobs. In addition, the polished cast iron in-feed and out-feed tables have a beautiful shine, measuring 58 in length for huge workpiece support. The dual bed rollers allow you to move at either 28 FPM or 16 FPM. The first is best for feeding through rough lumber quickly, while the latter is best for generating a smooth finish. It also has a magnetic switch for thermal overload protection. Your area will also easily stay clean with the included 5 dust port. The Grizzly is a great option for value for money. You get a seriously powerful planer for a reasonable price. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.